In this video series, I work through a math problem or problems each video. We have seen that we can find the common solution to a pair of linear equations by graphing the two equations. However, reading off the precise solution may be difficult if either coordinate contains a decimal part or when the solution is very large or very negative. There are methods to solve these equations using only the equations without graphing. One such method is called the addition method. To use this method, we take the two given equations and add them together. The resulting equation shares the same solution as the first two equations. So if this new equation only has one variable, just x or y, then we can solve this new equation for the lone variable. To find the value of the other variable, we just take the number we found, then substitute the value into one of the two original equations and solve that equation. Note that we can also use the phrase plugging a number into the variable to mean substituting the value in for a variable. Let's take a look at the example. Solve the following pair of equations by the addition method. The two equations are 2x plus 3y equals 5 and 5x minus 3y equals 2. So following the directions given to us, let's go ahead and add the two equations together. 2x plus 5x is 7x, and 3y minus 3y is 0, so the y terms vanish from the resulting equation, and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. To get x by itself, let's multiply both sides of the equation by 1/7. One seventh multiplied by 7 is 1, and 1 times x is x. 7 multiplied by 1/7 is 1, so x is equal to 1. To find the y value of the solution, let's plug in or substitute 1 back into, we can choose either equation, but let's choose the first equation this time. So we start with 2, and the x appears here, so we're going to replace that by 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3y equals 5. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Then to get y by itself, we first need to get rid of the 2. So let's subtract 2 from both sides. Two minus 2 is 0, so we're left with just 3y on the left hand side. And on the right hand side, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then we can multiply both sides of the equation by 1/3 to get rid of the 3. 1/3 multiplied by 3 is 1, and 1 times y is y. And 3 times 1/3 is equal to 1. So the common solution to both of these equations is x equals 1 and y is equal to 1.